Social media is essential for every business's online presence, especially for real estate. But why does it have to be so freaking complicated? My goal for this video is to show you your exact next steps toward reaching your potential clients on social media, and how I create 16 videos in only 2 hours. Seriously. So step 1 is to nail down who the heck you're creating content for. In real estate, you typically have 3 answers: buyers, sellers, investors. But what kind of buyers? What kind of sellers? What kind of investors? Basically, you want to get super specific about your target audience's age, location, income, marital status, frustrations, the goals. This will help you a lot later on in this video, I promise, so stick with me. Step number 2 is all about choosing the right platforms. Breaking news, you don't need to be on every single platform to effectively grow your business. You only need to be on the ones that your target audience is most active on. So as a real estate agent, your most popular platforms will most likely be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Seriously, really, it's only Instagram and Facebook. Everything else is secondary when it comes to social media marketing. Everything. But once you've chosen your platforms, it's time to create and share valuable content. So here's the best part about creating your target audience. Your target audience most likely has a lot of questions and fears. Address those fears and questions with videos on social media. On top of that, you can share information about recent real estate news, tips, and showcase your active listings. Now, videos, graphics, and listing photos are going to be your best friends for creating content on social media, so post a lot of those. So I have some bad news. So now that you know what to create, it's time to actually start creating. But what if I told you that you could create all of your content in just one day? What? How on God's green earth will I be able to film all of my videos in just one day? I promise you, you can do it. Have you ever heard of Parkinson's Law? Okay, Parkinson's Law is the old adage that says work expands to fill the time allotted for its completion. So if you give yourself a week to film, you'll take a week to film. If you give yourself a day to film, you'll take a day to film. If you give yourself just a few hours, I bet you'll still meet your goal. Oftentimes when it comes to filming videos for your real estate business, 90% of agents are just far too paralyzed with fear to actually take any action. Now, just a side note, I actually debunk the 10 most common content creation fears that agents have in my free training, 10 Secrets Holding You Back to Social Media Marketing. This training is completely free. You can access it through the link in the description below. Now, once you have your content filmed, you have 2 options. You can either edit your own videos in CapCut, it's a free app, you can add subtitles, or just post them directly to your social media channels. Since you're just getting started, I recommend just posting your videos as is, because it's way better to get the ball rolling with your posting than to stay stuck with analysis paralysis. Just post. Just press record and post. Later on, you could also outsource your editing to editors from sites like Fiverr or Upwork. This can help speed up your workflow, like far more later on. But once you begin posting, your goal should be to get 1% better each and every day, okay? Minor improvements over an extended period of time will work wonders for you personally and for your business as a whole. Okay, wait, now one thing I forgot to mention was the importance of optimizing your Facebook business page to tap into its SEO benefits. If you're gonna create all this content, you might as well make sure that your profiles are actually optimized. So I actually break it all down in this video right here, so you'll probably wanna go check that out next.